Hello everybody, my name is Given to. Coming right back at ya with another video. This video is not gonna be a reaction video, and this video is not gonna be a playthrough video of any video game. I wanna, I wanna talk to you guys, alright? Let's have a serious talk. Okay. I know that there are a lot of people out there at YouTube, at Instagram, at Facebook, at Twitter, at whatever the fuck that are fucking struggling, okay? I know that you're struggling. There are a lot of people out there that are chasing their dreams of becoming big and famous on the internet, okay? I know, I'm one of them, alright? I'm trying not to make a fucking big deal out of it, alright? But I know that, fuck man, shit. I know that the struggle is real, alright? You're probably wondering, what am I doing wrong? The answer to that is probably nothing. Okay? What you need is patience, consistency, bravery, courage. You gotta do what you like to do, not what others like you to do. Okay? Follow your heart, but sometimes your heart cuts apart. That is the simple answer. But life is never that simple, is it now? So let's try to dive a little bit deeper into that question, shall we? I started publishing YouTube videos a lot of years ago. And those YouTube videos were, well, they were shit, to be honest. I used my webcam that was built into my laptop in darkness, making it like maybe 360 points. If you want to see that video, it's about Minecraft. It's one of the first projects that I ever made, the Empire Strikes block. I made it together with another guy that I know. You should probably see it pop out some about like here or somewhere. You go click that after you watch this entire video. Then you rewind and you click this link, alright? Then you're gonna see what I'm talking about. I had no microphone. My hair was a friggin' mess. I had no experience. And everything basically looked like shit. Okay? I haven't gotten very far yet on YouTube. I'm closing in on 300 subscribers, which is big for me, My next goal is 300. And, personally, I got lucky, okay? Because I had maybe 12 subscribers at that time. People that I most likely knew. Well, basically. And I made the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Minecraft, completely functional, a really big map, okay? And that was at the time that the series from HBO, the Chernobyl series, was released, which means that my videos popped up basically everywhere, giving me traffic to my channel and my video about the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. So yes, I did get lucky on that one. I really did. That definitely boosted my channel. I think I got like 100 subscribers just from that video, which is pretty much if you're new to YouTube, You can't compare yourself. You gotta stop comparing yourself to the big cheese, okay? Markiplier, PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, Infinite. I know you want to get there. I get you. So do I. Okay? but you gotta take it down a notch. Lay yourself back. And don't forget that you're doing this because you want to do this. You're doing this because you think it's fun, because you like it, because it gives you some kind of satisfaction back at you when people like your videos, when people share your videos, when you get new subscribers, when people comment on the comment section and actually tell you what they think about your videos. Don't forget about that. That is the satisfaction of making YouTube. Your clips can be utter shit for all that I care. But if I'm interested in what you're posting, that doesn't really matter, does it now? YouTube most likely have a lot of algorithms that most people don't know about. If you post a video using let's say an audio clip that is maybe 3 seconds long, a famous song, whatever, just to, add the funny stuff in the video, you're gonna get punished, man. It says clearly it's not gonna affect your channel. Bullshit. You're not gonna get shut down or anything like that. But I got copyrighted the first time ever since I started YouTube, like 3 clips ago, when I recorded Kill It With Fire, the spider game. And I used NES song in there for a funny slow motion part in the video. I'm being honest with that. Yes, I used copyrighted music. Yes, I did. For a few minor seconds. I consider that to be fair use. YouTube might not think that. I don't give a fuck, because I'm not earning money at all on my YouTube clips anyways. Okay? The minimum that I need to even start making money or be in the YouTube partner program is 1,000 subscribers. I haven't even gotten to 300 yet. But I'm doing my best. And I'm doing it for me, and I'm doing it for you. Okay? If you like my videos, show that to me by actually pressing like on the video. That is a receipt to me that I'm doing the right thing, that I'm recording stuff that you actually care about or that you actually like. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. And if you do, don't forget to turn on the notifications bell. Otherwise, you will miss out on every video that I post on this channel. You won't get a notification, man. And you gotta remind your subscribers about that as well. There's nothing wrong in asking people to subscribe to your channel, okay? It's not being greedy. It is asking for help to grow your channel. I mean, for fuck's sakes, that's what YouTube is about, right? Don't be afraid to ask for help. That is the best tip that I can give you at the moment. I'm a struggling YouTuber. If you're watching this, you might be a struggling YouTuber, or you might be a friggin' professional. Maybe PewDiePie is watching this. I don't fucking know. He probably isn't. If you are, Pudes, Felix, I fucking love you, man, because you are. You're Swedish, man. So am I. Så ska vi ta en öl i Göteborg innan då? Just kidding. The point of this video is calm the fuck down, take a step back, and watch yourself. What am I doing? Am I doing this because I like it, or am I doing it only because other people like it? Or because that's what's, that's what I think people want. Alright? Make videos that interest you and that you think might interest other people, maybe in a certain category. I don't know. I do what I like. I play video games. I love playing video games. I played video games since I was fucking 8 years old, maybe even earlier than that. Alright? I like making reaction videos because I like watching reaction videos of other people reacting to weird shit because I think it's funny. I like seeing other people's reactions to the things that I like. So do your best. Do not ever give up on your dreams. I know the struggle is totally there. I know it's real. I know it's hard. And I know that it sometimes feels like you're not getting absolutely anywhere. But I do promise you that if you keep up your consistency and keep up the fight, you are gonna get there soon enough. So thank you for watching. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. It means very much to me. And if you like this video, don't forget to show me that by leaving a thumbs up on the clip. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell in the top right corner so you won't miss out on any new videos that I post, just like this one. Also, if you want to, you can go follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook under the name of Giventoe, and I do reply to all of my DMs if you want to contact me directly. And as a promise in the previous videos, if you subscribe to my channel, I will give you a shout out in the next video. That's what I do. So until I see you next time, have a great day or evening, wherever in the world you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.